How to create your LinkedIn company page. Step 1. Create your page. First, we visit the LinkedIn page section of the LinkedIn website. Next, click on the Create a Page icon. Step 2. Complete your personal or company page. Creating your personal or company page is the first step. The next thing is to complete the registration by filling in the vital details. It is essential because it gives your visitors an insight into who you are and what kind of business you do. It will improve your page ranking on Google and your search results on LinkedIn. To add your details on LinkedIn, click on the pencil icon on your profile under your company name. Other essential categories that you need to complete include company description. In this category, you will need to explain your company's vision, mission, and values. You will also need to offer a description of your products and services in about 3 or 4 paragraphs. Remember, keep it short and direct to the point. Ensure it is written as naturally as possible and in your brand voice. Don't forget to make your description SEO friendly by including some keywords. Locations. Here, you are required to input the location or address of your office or store. Hashtags. To make your profile more discoverable, you can add up to 3 hashtags. Do the research and find the hashtags that are often used in your industry and best suits your business. Cover photo. This category requires you to polish your profile with a quality background photo. Therefore, you must choose an image that displays your page in the best possible light. Stay away from shots that are either cluttered or too busy. The standard size of a photo to use should be around 1584, width, x 396, height, pixels. Custom button. This option allows you to add a button to your profile to encourage your visitors to take action. The options include contact, register, visit the website, sign up, learn more, and so on. While including these, ensure you add the corresponding URL. It will allow people that click the button to land on the correct page. You can also add a UTM parameter for tracking. Manage language option. The Manage language option is for those that have a global brand or multilingual audience. Here, you can add your name, description, and tagline in over 20 different languages. Step 3. Don't forget to share your page. Once your page is ready, don't hesitate to let people know. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.